Hi guys, today I want to share with you Bosch GCM 8SJL sliding mitre saw. In 0 degree, the cutting capacity will be 70 mm times 312 mm. In 45 degree mitre, it is 70 mm times 214 mm. While in 45 degree incline, it is 48 mm times 312 mm. The saw diameter will be 216 mm. Saw blade bore diameter will be 13 mm. The weight will be 17.3 kg and the rate input power will be 1600 watt. The machine has been improved on dust management for healthy and clean work. It has also built-in laser for accurate target saws. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos. Other than the saw blade, it comes with a clamps too.
Cái ô tô